Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Classic Barber. Today I'll be talking about the essential barbering tools every beginner barber must have. One of the most important tools every beginner barber must possess is confidence, especially when a new client walks into the shop. One of the things they look for is how confident you are in taking up the job of cutting their hair and achieving the style they desire. When you pick up the clipper, they want to know the next move you are going to make. That's when clipper style comes in. It's a valuable tool for beginner barbers. It serves a double purpose. It disinfects the blade, guarding against bacteria or any other potential hair-related issues. Additionally, the clipper style cools and lubricates the blade, cleans it, and provides anti-rust cover for the blade. Another essential tool is nail spray. This creates a barrier between the client's neck and the barber cage, ensuring a hygienic and a comfortable experience in your barber shop. Now let's talk about alcohol. There are different types of alcohol, but I have two main ones here. I use the white one after a haircut for my client, and the other one is for blade washing after each haircut. Last and certainly not least, I recommend having a brush and a nail duster on hand. This may seem like small detail, but they are incredible helpful too. Alright guys, I hope you find this recommendation helpful in building your barbering toolkit. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you in the next video.